Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Tacoma headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new headlight bulbs. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely. It's also a good idea to wear protective gloves to avoid touching the new bulb's glass, which can significantly reduce its lifespan. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your Tacoma's hood and locate the rear of the headlight assembly. You'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the release tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Next, identify any retaining clips, springs, or screws that secure the bulb. Carefully unclip or unscrew these components to free the old bulb from its housing. This step requires a gentle touch to avoid damaging the surrounding plastic. With the old bulb exposed, carefully pull it straight out of its socket. Now, take your new headlight bulb. Remember, do not touch the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can create hot spots and shorten its life. Hold it by the base and align the tabs on the bulb with the notches in the headlight housing. Gently push the new bulb firmly into place until it is securely seated. It should fit snugly without excessive force. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Once the new bulb is securely in place, reattach any retaining clips, springs, or screws that you removed earlier. Make sure they are fastened tightly to prevent the bulb from vibrating loose. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Close the hood and turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm both high and low beams are working properly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.